thanks for joining me for today's video. I hope you're all doing really well. Everything's good here, apart from these dark evenings, which I am not enjoying, and they're not the best for recording. But tonight I'm making a s'mores dip. This is so good. You can make it all in your Ninja Foodi, so it's ideal for sharing on a cold evening. We've got fireworks and Halloween coming up, and I think you're really going to like this type of recipe. Really easy to create. It's a one big pot. You can all just get in there and you can dip in whatever you like. I'm going to serve some digestive biscuits with mine this evening, but you could definitely, put things on stick. You can put like fruit into it. You choose whatever you like, then you can dip into this and enjoy. Really simple idea, but super tasty. So let's get on with it. It's a quick one. Let's get cooking. So this is so quick and easy. I'm just going to get my foodie onto sear and saute, and we're going to start off by melting everything together. So I've got some Cadbury's dairy milk, but you can use whatever milk chocolate you like. I think milk chocolate really works best in this. So I'm using 200 grams of chocolate, just breaking it up purely because it's going to mean that it melts that bit quicker and easier if we've got those little cubes. So let's get stuck in. Just got to try not to eat any, haven't I? Oh, love a bit of dairy milk. It just smells so good. So that's the first thing into the pot. Now I'm going to go in with marshmallows. I've got big ones here. Doesn't really matter if you use big or little ones for melting, but you want 200 grams of those. So they go in. Now I'm going to want to turn the sear and saute down. So I'm going to try level 2 or 3, I think, because we don't want to burn this and we just want to melt it nice and slowly, just so that then combines together. We're also going to need 2 tablespoons of milk. You can use a full fat milk or a semi-skimmed. I don't really see that it's going to make a lot of difference with this. I've lowered my temperature down to level 2, but I'm even thinking I might lower that down even further, right to low on 1, because we just want to make sure this is nice and gentle, and we definitely do not want this chocolate to burn. That's better. I feel happier with it down on number 1 because it's just going to be really gentle. It's going to take longer, but I just know that this is going to really go nicely. But by doing that, look at those marshmallows. They are starting to really ooze into that chocolate. And that's just enough milk to loosen things to help it along the way. It smells absolutely incredible, as you can imagine. As you can see, we are almost there, and it's only taken around 5 minutes for this to melt together. Last few bits of marshmallows just melting and combining into the chocolate. I've been stirring it quite a lot because that just kind of speeds things up. I think we're nearly there. There you go. I think we're good. So you want some sort of kind of shallow dish like this. I'm just using this pie dish. Doesn't really matter what you use. We're going to put the melted chocolate and marshmallows into there. Then we're going to top it with these mini pink and white marshmallows, and we're going to then get it under the grill. Now you can add these marshmallows however you wish to. I mean, you can be, particular about it, and you can kind of put them round in a circle like this and then fill the whole thing, or you can literally just throw them on top. It's really not actually going to matter that much because this is going to go under the grill. I just think this makes a really nice treat to share with everything. It's really nice when you have something as a centerpiece that you can all just dig into. And it's rare that you get kind of a desserty thing like that. And I think for autumn, and like I said, fireworks night, you've got your bonfire going. This is a real treat for everybody. And it's so, so easy to do as well. And we like something with a bit of simplicity on this channel. Nothing too difficult. So I'm just going around with them like this. I think I'm going to come back because I'm going to be ages doing this, aren't I? So we've got 100 grams of these little tiny marshmallows. They're very, very cute, aren't they? And they're going to go beautiful under the grill. Great, I've covered the top there. I've actually only used around 50-ish grams, so probably about half a pack of the mini marshmallows. If you're using a bigger dish, then of course you're going to have a larger surface area, so you may, end up using the whole lot. So it just really depends on the dish that you use. So just kind of think to yourself, you're going to need 50 as a minimum, and if you've got a bigger dish, you're going to need that bit more. But I will be saving those marshmallows for another day. And now we can get this in the Ninja and we can get it onto grill. So I've got the s'mores dip ready in the Ninja, and we're going to close the lid. So I've got the s'mores dip on the rack here. We've got the lid down and I'm on grill, and as you can see the grill gets super hot, so I'm going to keep a good eye on that. Okay, let's lift the lid up. Oh, nicely golden on top. Let's get that out. That's had 4 minutes under the grill. So you want to dig in whilst it's nice and hot. So grab yourself a digestive biscuit. You can break that in half there. Remember, this is going to be warm on the edge, so just be careful. Look at that. Oh, nice and crunchy top with that marshmallow. Oh, look at how oozy this is. Let's get right inside. Look at that. So good.